Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to write on gradient Google Spreadsheet. So first, just simply go to the Google Spreadsheet and just simply use the search icon over here on the left side, guys. And now from here, just simply type in gradient. And now from here, just simply go for this one, alternating colors. And now guys, here on the left side, as you can see, first one we could apply to range. So let's say I'm gonna click on this one, and after that we could select a range. So let's say the range will be this one. And now from here, I can select a default style over here. It can be blue, it can be orange. So pretty much it will be depending on me. So I'm gonna go for gray, click on OK. And after that, as you can see, we should be able to do gradient, and you can go for footer as well if you prefer. And pretty much over here, you will have the default style, and you can have a custom style as well. So it will be depending on you in which color that you like. And after that, you should be able to write into it. And from there, you should be able to customize your gradient Google Spreadsheet. And after that, just simply click on Done. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.